Hi everyone, it's Renee. I just got the mail and my craft club kit has came. Trying to poke it up a little bit so I don't cut any of the paper or anything in there. Oh, that's just that. Okay. Thought there was something else in there. Alright, what's this month's kit called? Alright, scrapbook kit for March. What is it called? Simple Stories, Fun Times. Looks like a summer kit. It's got carnival stuff on it. I get so excited for these kits. Multicolored and a green, pea green. Move my water out of the way here. Admit 1 ticket. Food, drinks, hooray. Triangles, multicolored. Sorry, I have to adjust myself in the seat here. Multicolored balloons. Rainbow sheet. Circles with stars and hearts in them. So just one page here. Yep. That's kind of thick. Squares. It's trying to slide down here. Alright. Arrows and banners or stripes. Orange with white polka dots if I could speak tonight. Ooh, I like that sheet. Teal with stars and just stars on it. A lot of triangle papers to this month, but I'm liking the colors that they gave, and a bunch of tags. I like that. And cut-aparts. This one isn't loaded with cut-aparts like some months. A plaid. Another cut-apart. Ooh, I like that side. That's neat. Alright. Will you stay put, please? More cut-aparts. White and red stripes. I opened my mouth too soon. Bunch of cut-aparts at the end. Cut-aparts again. Multicolored dots. And the sticker sheet. This is definitely more summer. Fair or carnival, and that's during the summer, and we're in March. But it'll work. It's not a problem. Okay, lay the plastic for the sheet. What is our ephemera pack? 12 pieces, page pieces. Frolic by Rosie's Studio. Craft Tickets 29. Yeah, that's definitely some more summer. And thickers. Adventurous. And it's all kinds of words. Puppy stickers. Oh, both sides. Definitely like this kit. All right. Well, thank you for watching. Have a great day or night wherever you're at. I'll talk to you soon. Bye for now.